does world here. I'm currently in Costa Rica, about to go fix my friend's MacBook and run some local errands. So stay tuned while you'll see some real Costa Rican life. It's 15 days.
15?
Yes.
Do you think you survived 15 days here trapped?
That's what I'm saying, you know, we can make videos and edit and just go really hard on YouTube for 2 weeks.
Yeah, but remember, it's all limited, right?
Yeah.
Not that everything is closed, but we have to be here at 8:30, 15 to 9. The beach is not an option right now.
Ooh, it's nice. So we went to this Chinese market inside downtown Costa Rica, and they have great deals. $1 t-shirt and also $1 headphones.
Look for the phones. This is good. Look. This is cool, man.
What is that?
It's a shooter can. You should take the space. For girls.
Right?
Finally, you can get your.
You want to eat? Alright. It's the typical Costa Rican dish called cansado. A little bit of everything. Super stoked to eat it. Alright. What is this?
Colágeno. Okay,
Imaginen que esos chinos tienen un equipo de trabajo solo para algunas
I have to buy pepper.
Alright, so we're leaving at 6:30. No, fuck. We're leaving at 5 a.m. in the morning, me and Oscar. The bus leaves at 6:30, so it's about a 5 to 6 hour bus ride. So we start in San Jose, and we make our way down to right here to the Nicoya Bay, and you cross right here on a ferry, and then get on another bus and just keep going. And Malpaz is right here. You got Santa Teresa, a bunch of other spots. Oscar, what do you want to say? Huh?
Fuck off.
Alright, well, obviously it's too early for Oscar. We're waiting for our Uber to show up, to take us to the bus station, to jump on a bus, to go through hell for the next 6 hours. But through hell, we arrive in paradise. I just got to the bus terminal, about to get a ticket.
now.
What's going on, fam? This is Dude Does World out here in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica. Pura Vida to everyone. Super stoked to be here, and first time. And I'm here with my best friend Oscar. Met our friend Diego, Chilean homie. Woo! Look how big it is, you guys.
Chicken soup?
Check it out, this is my casado pescado. It's fish, you got your rice, fries, salad, and beans. It's like your typical dish here with a papaya shake smoothie. And some, alright. Alright, you guys, we're waiting for ATV rental, trying to find somebody to rent us one. I think it's about $60 to $70 a day for rental purposes. And yeah, so me and Oscar are just chilling out.
That's good, I'll do it.
So, dude, we are here waiting to get an ATV rental. Super excited. So we'll get some transportation, and that's going to be able to allow us to get to certain surf breaks that aren't oversized and big. But yeah, super fun. We're here at Santa Teresa Tico Tours, and we're gonna try to get that Tico price. All right, we just rented an ATV, super stoked, and from Tico Tours. And we got a little discount because we're giving them a shout out on the channel, so that we're just working out the final details, and then we're gonna hit the road. Yeah. All right, you guys, we'll see you soon. Alright, so it's been an awesome trip here so far in Costa Rica. ATV rentals, about $60 to $70 a day. I would totally recommend getting an ATV because a lot of places here you definitely need some off-road help. But yeah, we're just taking, so at nighttime we like to go watch the sunset at the beach, so that's where we're going.
Solo campeonan los peores. Curaste todas tus heridas con agua podrida. Me mentiste al diablo 3 veces, vendiéndole flores.